Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of linking an Apex Legends account from PlayStation 4 to PC, so be sure to follow along. I'll also show you how to set up your EA account correctly, enabling you to link accounts from various networks. To kick off this process, visit the EA Help website, open a web browser, and go to help.ea.com or search for EA Help on Google. Upon reaching the page, you can explore assistance for all EA games and sign into your account at the top right corner. Once you're signed in with the EA account you want to use on both PlayStation 4 and PC, navigate to Manage Account next to Game Support. Within the Manage Account tab, select the Link Accounts category. Clicking this will take you to another page where you can establish different account links to your EA account. The first option you'll see is for the PlayStation Network account, but there are additional choices such as Xbox, Apple, Steam, Discord, Amazon, Google, Facebook, and Twitch. If your goal is to link your Apex Legends account from PlayStation 4 to PC, click Link on the right side of the PlayStation Network option. A new prompt will appear. Keep in mind that every time you wish to link a different account, you'll need to verify your identity. Although I won't demonstrate this process on screen, you'll receive a code via email that you must input here. After completing this step, a new tab will be available for signing and using the respective account. For instance, if you choose to link a PlayStation Network account, you'll be directed to the PlayStation website where you'll input the credentials for a valid PSN account, typically your email and password. This applies to other account types as well, and you can manage all links associated with your EA account. I trust this video proves helpful to you. Please consider subscribing to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.